afternoon, everyone. Happy Sunday. This is day 3 and 4 of this Vlogtober. I'm getting ready, just finished church. I am currently getting my water together because I decided to go for a walk today. I'm trying to get into this exercise routine, working out stuff, so we're gonna go to Rock Creek Park. First time going. One of my RCs, KJ, recommended it, so we're gonna go there, do like an hour and a half, depending on how I'm feeling, walk and just enjoy the fresh air, honestly. Yesterday really didn't vlog. I was being OD lazy. OD lazy, just chilled at home, played video games, watched my Korean shows. I was watching Something in the Rain, I think that's what it's called. I finished It's Okay to Not Be Okay. I did finish that, but this one is Something in the Rain, something like that. I'll let you know for sure. I'll put a little like, no, this is the real thing. But I'm getting my water. I'm gonna do have my big jug right here. My big jug of Deer Park. Yes, I did get that water. I wasn't playing. Put lemons in there that can jumpstart my body. I haven't ate anything, haven't drank anything, so that's what I'm gonna do. Bring this big jug with me. I probably will put it in my other bottle. I probably will put it in this bottle. Transfer it over to this one, this gallon thing that I barely use now. It's only when I do like walks and stuff is when I really utilize it. So I'm gonna cut up these lemons and put it in my bottle. Hey, for blessing me. Oh, this is real. I need better shoes for this. But it's nice. The views are good. There's a lot of people out here though. A lot of people out here going different directions. Some walking, some running. Some with kids and dogs. It's definitely good. I'm all out of breath. Jesus. Whew. I don't know. Been out here for 23 minutes. I'm out of breath. Oh, Lord Jesus, fix it. Fix it, Jesus. But yeah, I just want to get on here and say, this is good. I'm pushing myself, even though I'm tired. I'm gonna sit my fat ass down, get some water. But I'm trucking, I'm pushing. I want change, so change don't come easy. You gotta push yourself to the limit. So that's what I'm pushing my body to. So yeah, I just want to get on here, tell you that. Thank you, KJ, for this trail. Thank you, sis. I may not really seem like I really want to say thank you right now, but I thank you. Whew. Oh, Jesus. This is real. Hey guys, so I'm at this vegan spot. I got me buffalo cauliflower, creamy kale, and this deep dish pizza. I'm doing bomb. And it's hot. I should have got me something to drink. But the walk was good. Got my miles in, which I'm grateful for. So grateful for it. So I'm just refueling. Head back home. I should clean. I should really clean. Get all those clean clothes off my bed. I've been procrastinating, so I should do that. We'll see if I actually do. I wind up coming to this park. It's such a beautiful day, and I didn't want to just go back and clean. I wanted to be proactive. So I have my prayer journal, my regular journal. I have my gallon of water that I'm trying to finish. I'm at the 5 o'clock area, no excuses. Trying to bang that out. Then I have my book from Pastor Michael Todd, Relationship Goals, that I want to continue reading. I've been slacking on that and doing the studying guide. And I'm trying to finish Midnight Sun, that I can do another video based off that book. So it's a lot going on. I'm trying to take advantage of the sun and this solidarity to get things done. But yeah, it's really nice, and I really don't want to do anything but just reflect. But yeah, let's get through that. So it's the next day. I definitely reflected, journaled, finished Midnight Sun. So the book review will be coming soon. It will be coming soon. So keep a lookout for that. And yeah, things were really good. Woke up sore, but I got to the gym this Monday morning, and that vlog will be coming to you soon. So yeah, I hope each and every one of y'all had a beautiful weekend. Very, very beautiful weekend. And I'll see you in the next vlog. All right, guys.